Hello and welcome. Today we are going to be working on counting on using those open number lines. First and foremost, we are always going to play around with a little bit of place values. Make sure you have your ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands chart. We're not into thousands quite yet, but we'll get there. Ultimately, your numbers today are 56, 27, 82, and 45. After you've done all four of these, you need to go back around and do them maybe as you go along. So if you do 56, then after you figure out 56 in your tens and ones chart, I want you to add 10 more to that. So add another 10 stick. What would you have? Then do 27, add 10 more to that. What would you have? 82, add 10 more to that. What do you have? 45, add 10 more to that. What do you have? So again, one at a time, work it out with your learning coach. Pause. The next thing you have today is your addition, but in the tens. So this is going to get a little crazy. We're getting challenging here, but I want you to spend time working out with your learning coach and explain to your learning coach what you are doing here. The academic language does change. The kids do need to know open number line. What does it mean? The meaning is sum, and then also equation. Pause and talk it out with your learning coach. Here's your first problem. When you hear Nina has left, is that significant of addition or subtraction? It will help eliminate certain answers if you know the meaning of has left. Pause and work it out with your learning coach. How many books are in all? Addition or subtraction? Pause and work it out. Here's a direct instruction in that. So an open number line, again, looks a little different. So you have starts with 6, and then you have to make the other lines going along. So again, it's that hippity hopping along. You can do it differently. I don't personally prefer, I don't really like number lines in this respect, because I think on some level they don't really help, especially after you get into really big numbers. So I would prefer you can use counters and count on from there. That might be more helpful. But in this instance, you are being presented with open number lines. So pause and work out the equations with your learning coach. Here is the direct information. Pause and work with your learning coach. 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 Here is your flex the brain. If you want to stay and do these, you're more than welcome to. Again, you don't necessarily have to use the open number line. You can just do the equations and use counters or your tens and ones chart, which would be really helpful in this. Your tens and ones charts, again, Molly has 18 coins in all. So again, you're starting with that, and then you put it in the number chart, which is easier to see for most kids because you can put it in boxes essentially. Pause and work out with your learning coach. Pause and work with your learning coach. Okay, guys, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will talk to you guys later.